is our weaned calf. This the last load, -1. But yep, here they go. Calf still selling good too, so glad to have them. They say glad to have you here. Welcome back, YouTube. Another Saturday, beautiful day, hot. What you doing?
Chewing gum, as usual.
Always chewing gum or doing something. But that something never includes work. We got another exciting day planned for you all. Not really, but we're gonna find something to record, something that we're doing. And yeah, give you a life in our day. Or a day in our life. Why couldn't it be a life in our day? Because it's like you got a life in a game, you play the life, and it's in the day of that game. I don't know, but yeah. Stay tuned. Appreciate y'all for watching. Let's get to it today.
They fooling with this thing.
We left the help unattended and they put the tires back on. Can y'all see anything wrong? FYI, the steering wheel is not turned. So basically there are 2 keyholes, one right here, one right here. They took the gas and put it right there, but it should be in this one. Once we flip it, tire should be in line. Should be. That's why it wasn't screwing.
Still on.
I made it right. Turn.
Is that top turn that fell?
Yeah, it's turned to the right. It's turned to the right.
Something ain't right, boy. That's gonna be too far.
Yeah. You shouldn't always use a hammer.
Hammer's the mechanic's best friend. And an enemy sometimes.
So if you buy an aftermarket spindle, it don't got enough keyholes. So we gotta adjust it to make it match. So I take my earlier statement back. Maybe they did put it on right. But they may have not have ordered the right part. Or they ordered the right part? Cheaper part. You ain't got no more on there?
Yeah, I'm gonna take some off the other side. Pull this one in, let the other one out.
You got that much slack on this side?
Yeah, I got 2 more threads on both sides. That one's gonna have to get longer. This side's gonna get shorter.
Oh, no, good angle. Better angle, ain't it? Because that's what the people want to see.
Yeah, they want to see the angle. Yeah. Percentage of them don't know what you're doing, no, huh?
That's why I explain it. We are tightening in the tie rods so the tires will be aligned.
You're narrating.
We're giving this an alignment.
Is that the wrong way?
Yeah, that's going right.
That's going right?
And then turn by hand. Yep.
That's going wrong.
You going the wrong way.
I'm
Yeah,
coming.
that's what I was saying. Yep.
Yeah, I thought that's what you were saying.
Now we should have put some more default in there where you had it at.
WD-40 works miracles. Right. When it get hard, cause it got paint on it. Move that hand, for I wasn't gonna hit it. I wasn't gonna hit it.
Wrench looked like it wanted to though.
You know, that wrench got a mind of its own.
That might be it though.
We better. Tighten up and back up, cause that's all that's been yet.
So we're just gonna let that do. That tractor, we don't really use it a lot for much, but it's good to have. So ain't no need to spend all day trying to get it perfect. As long as it's halfway lined up and it'll drive, we'll make it work. But if y'all remember a few weeks ago, we were working on a feeding trough for a heavy use area. And I told you we we're gonna level up some dirt. We're gonna go ahead and finish that up today. Go ahead and move some more dirt. I'm gonna unhook this barrel and we're gonna get to it. So right here, we're borrowing a little dirt. We had to get the backhoe to scratch it up a little more. My little box blade is not cutting. So he's just scratching it up. Stranger danger.
I'm not a stranger.
Uh-huh.
I'm not a stranger.
Who seen Ken on YouTube?
They have been. If they watch all them old videos, they'll see me.
They gotta go 2 years back to see Ken. This my new co-star right here. What's up, Carlos? Ain't you the new co-star?
Yeah.
Stranger danger.
I'm not
Stranger danger.
I'm not a stranger.
Ken, what last episode you was on?
A couple episodes ago, had to been. It's like, I'm like Michael Jackson. When it comes to the
All right, guys.
but except for the. Is it still
What?
on?
It's still
But
on.
except for Morris Barnes, I'm the Michael Jackson and Morris Barnes.
You ain't the Michael Jackson or nothing.
You're Jermaine.
You Tito.
No. No.
No, matter of fact, you Bubbles.
Alright.
Hey, you Bubbles.
Okay. Anyways, if y'all do miss me, I'm back. That's all y'all need to know.
Nobody here to see you, Otis.
They probably do miss Ken.
Nobody knows you.
People do know
Everybody like the new co-star better. That's right, Carlos.
Yeah.
me. Alright, YouTube.
He put himself back in my
Until
face.
next time.
Prove that he was here. Oh my gosh.
Until next time.
Hey, Ken, quick
Boy,
question.
they know you ain't gonna be here.
Hey, Ken, quick question. Were you saying August as in like this month, like right now, or as in like?
Like right now, yeah.
Really?
Until next time, YouTube. Been real.
All right, now for the real outro.
Okay.
Appreciate y'all for watching. We'll see y'all next episode.
We will see y'all. next
I'll take
episode.
bets right now. I don't know if we can bet on YouTube. Bet subs that Ken will not be in the next video.
I will. Depending on when you drop it, I will. I'm telling you the truth.
After this, they recorded in order, so
I'm telling you.
Ken.
Wait, so the next episode. Ah,
Look at him ready to lie already. Y'all know how we do
I
that.
don't know
You,
what's gonna
hey,
stop.
y'all know how we do that. Yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow.
How long he worked today, Carlo?
Let's see. Ever since like
But I was working somewhere else earlier.
about 4 or something. About 4 or something.
About 4 or
That's a
something.
lie.
He
Come
showed
on.
up at about 4 or
I
something.
came around 2,
Around
It was definitely not 2, Ken.
maybe 3.
3.
3.
I'd say like 3:56 maybe.
3:56.
What time is it?
5. We'll put in a whole hour. Lord
I was
Jesus.
working somewhere else. That's why.
All right, YouTube. We done.
All right, y'all. See y'all when I see y'all. Y'all be safe.
Carlos.
What?
Give him the outro.
See ya. Goodbye.